Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickFunnels affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To register with ClickFunnels affiliate program, first, navigate to the ClickFunnels website. Once on the home page, scroll down to find the affiliate link. Click on the affiliate link to be redirected to the affiliate program section. Here, you will see information regarding the benefits and features of the affiliate program. To proceed, locate the Sign Up or Join Now button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create a new account, enter your email address and create a password. Afterward, click the button to continue with the account setup. Fill in the required personal details like your name and address. Next, provide your payment information to receive your commissions. Once all fields are filled out, review the terms and conditions. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Now, submit your registration form. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Open the email and verify your account by clicking on the provided link. After verification, log into your ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available for affiliates. You can now generate your affiliate links to start promoting ClickFunnels. Explore the affiliate training materials to enhance your marketing skills. Begin sharing your affiliate links across your platforms to earn commissions. Monitor your performance through the dashboard to track your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.